Hi there, you guys, and welcome back to SA Social Media News, where we get to bring you the hottest, hip, and happening entertainment news. Please do not forget to like, share, and subscribe if you haven't done so. K Naomi recently got married last week in a beautiful Tswana wedding ceremony, you guys, and almost all celebrities were there to share her beautiful wedding day with her and husband Tshepi. And when her best friend Tshepi VUNDLA wasn't seen at her wedding, that raised a lot of eyebrows, and people were questioning if there's trouble in paradise between the two. A gossip blogger who goes by the name of Musa Kawila tweeted and alleged the reason as to why Tshepi VUNDLA wasn't invited to the wedding. He tweeted and made these allegations. K Naomi Nup's ex-boyfriend Tshepi VUNDLA of wedding invitation. A couple of years back, K Naomi dated JR and was friends with Tshepi. Tshepi secretly hooked up with JR because of K Naomi's busy schedule, and Tshepi fell pregnant with JR's child and kept it a secret. He continued to say allegedly. K Naomi responded by saying this and later deleted this tweet, you guys. Shame you decided to mess with the wrong person today, and I'm not going to let you pass around false rumors or drag Tshepi or I. But carry on, let's see where this ends. And she later deleted this tweet. What do you guys think? Could there be truth to any of what Musa Kaula alleges? Do engage with me in the comment section below. Like, share, comment, and subscribe. I'll definitely see you on my next upload. Thank you so much. Bye.